Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Carter and I went from barely getting by to becoming very wealthy, all thanks to passive income. Today I'm going to share the exact passive income streams that helped me build wealth so you can do the same. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on new wealth building tips. Now let's dive in. First up, we have rental income. Owning real estate is one of the oldest and most reliable ways to build wealth. When you buy a rental property, you get paid every month from your tenants, even while you sleep. Now, you don't have to be a millionaire to start. My first property was a duplex, meaning I lived in one unit and rented out the other. My tenant's rent paid most of my mortgage, so I was living almost for free. Over time, I reinvested my profits into more properties, and before I knew it, I had multiple rentals bringing in thousands of dollars a month. Here's how you can start. 1. Look for affordable properties in growing areas. 2. Consider house hacking, buying a duplex or triplex and renting out the other units. 3. Use property managers if you don't want to deal with tenants. Real estate takes some work up front, but once you have good tenants and solid management, the income becomes mostly passive. Next, let's talk about dividend stocks. This is one of my favorite income streams because it requires zero effort once you're set up. When you invest in dividend stocks, companies literally pay you money just for owning their shares. You don't have to sell anything. Just hold the stocks and collect checks every quarter. Some of my favorite dividend stocks are 1. Coca-Cola K. They've paid dividends for over 100 years. 2. McDonald's MCD, a strong company that increases its dividend almost every year. 3. Real estate investment trusts REI. These pay out big dividends because they make money from real estate. The best part, you can reinvest your dividends to buy more shares, which means your money grows faster and faster over time. It's like a snowball that turns into an avalanche of cash. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting passive income streams, digital products. The internet has changed everything. You can create something once and sell it over and over again without doing any extra work. I've made money from 1. Online courses, teaching people skills like investing, personal finance, or even fitness. 2. Ebooks, writing simple guides and selling them online. 3. Printables and templates, things like budget planners or social media templates. One of my first digital products was a small $20 ebook about saving money. It didn't seem like much, but after a few months I was making $1,000 a month in passive sales. Imagine waking up to sales notifications while you sleep. It's a game changer. Another big part of my wealth came from starting businesses. But here's the secret. I don't run them myself. I've built businesses that run without me by hiring great people and using automation. Here are a few businesses that can generate passive income. 1. E-commerce stores, selling products online using Amazon or Shopify. 2. Automated service businesses, think of laundromats, car washes, or vending machines. 3. Affiliate marketing, getting paid commissions for recommending products online. At first, businesses take a lot of effort. But once you have systems in place, the money keeps coming in without you doing the daily grind. There are so many ways to build passive income. Here are a few more that made me money. 1. YouTube ad revenue. Just like this video, once you create videos, they can earn ad money forever. 2. Selling stock photos. If you take great pictures, you can sell them online. 3. Music royalties. If you're a musician, you can earn money from streams and licenses. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Loan money through apps and earn interest. You don't need all of these streams to be wealthy. Just pick 1 or 2 and go all in. I know this can feel overwhelming, but don't overthink it. Just start small. Here's what I'd do if I were starting today. 1. Pick 1 passive income idea from this list. 2. Invest time or money into building it. 3. Reinvest your profits to grow even bigger. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. But if you take action today, a year from now, you could have an extra $1,000 a month coming in. And from there, the sky's the limit. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss my next video. And comment below. Which passive income idea are you going to try first? See you next time.